mission has been to always plant seeds in communities where we serve and empower a team of young adults to obtain the life skills that they need to thrive and build career pathways.
He's teaching me a lot of skills that I can take and use for the future. It's a great opportunity. And
that reception has been very positive and well received. People coming out with a smile at 2 in the morning when the world is asleep. When it comes to large orders from our business clients, everything can be handled digital. If it makes my job easier, I'm in. We need humanity to come together more than ever now.
I am so thankful for Hue and GD Burgers for being out here with amazing food and service.